Good morning, students. This is our next topic for class 8th, factors and conditions of influencing health. As we know about the factors of health and how they are have very important role in our life. Health of an individual depends upon certain factors and conditions. These are if these are in our favor, it means it is good sign. If it is not in our favor, it is not good for us, not only us but also our health, our other facts, physical, mental, social, emotional, etc. So my dear, the first factor and condition which influence of health is heredity. I think we know very well about the heredity. Heredity means the process by which physical or mental qualities pass from parents to child. It is the definition of heredity. अर्थात शारीरिक और मानसिक जो माता पिता के गुण होते हैं वह संतान तक पहुंचना ही क्या कहलाता है? हेरिडिटी कहलाता है, वंशागति कहलाता है। अर्थात कहते हैं कि अपने वंश को आगे बढ़ाना है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द हेरिडिटी। अर्थात माता पिता के शारीरिक और मानसिक गुणों का बच्चे तक पहुंचना ही क्या कहलाता है? यस, हेरिडिटी कहलाता है। एंड इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरीवन, फॉर हेल्थ, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग डिपेंड्स on it. You can see in your surrounding atmosphere many people you can find easily, those who have long height, some medium height and some normal height and some are very short. These are the sign of heredity. So it is first fact, first condition which influences of health. I think it is clear. हेरिडिटी क्या होता है? अर्थात वंशागति को आगे बढ़ाना, माता पिता के शारीरिक और मानसिक गुणों का बच्चों तक पहुंचना ही क्या कहलाता है? हेरिडिटी कहलाता है। इट इज अ बायोलॉजिकल फैक्टर. We can study about the heredity in biology. It is also a branch of science. We can study easily. If we have interest related it, you can see, you can read everything, you can find easily about the heredity if you want to take interest. Okay, my dear. Next is importance of heredity. What is the importance? What is the role of heredity in our life? We have to know about it. Seriously, we have to know about it. The importance of heredity. Sometimes you can see some children, you can find easily they are very active. Some you can find they are slow. And some you can find normal. These are the sign of heredity, because the movement and the quality of mental and physical is present of their parents in those or in among children. So heredity has very important role in our body in our life. And importance of heredity is traits that are more advantage can be passed to offspring, and it's extremely important to make sure good traits are passed. You can see everything in with the help of DNA. If you want to take some deep interest and you want to take it serious study, with the help of Google, with the help of books, you can read, you can find everything related to the heredity on these sites and books. It is very important because the cleverness, the wisdom, the activeness, the personality mainly depends on this fact, heredity. Okay, now after it, heredity, it is a biological factor. It is clear for everyone? Okay, after that we will see related it. After the heredity, the next is environmental factor. It is also a good environmental factor that has also a big and very important role in our life, where we are living. Uh, if our surrounding environment is good, in that condition you can see your thoughts, your minds, your body structure will be fine. You will be healthy person, because everything depends on environment. So it is our duty also. We have to create the positive environment around of us, around of our society. It is very much, it is must for everyone, and it is also very good or important parts of our life. So today we have to take oath. We will make green and clean environment. We will make clean and green our atmosphere, our society, our nation. We should take oath. In that condition, you can't imagine your society will be happy. Your health is called good health after doing this job. So these are some main factor of influencing health. Okay, my dear. After that, you will see the there are some more factors of environment. Okay, it is clear. Now we will read some more factor of environment. There are so many factor of environment. Number first, internal factors. Number two, external factor. Number three, cultural factor. Number four, personal factor. It is clear? So let's go. First is environmental factors. Environmental factor have also three parts, have also three phases. ये तीन प्रकार के, चार प्रकार के होते हैं सर। तो पहले लेते हैं हम इंटरनल फैक्टर्स। तो व्हाट इज इंटरनल फैक्टर? इंटरनल फैक्टर्स considered to be important in advocating health, relevant behaviors as knowledge about risk factors and risk and attitudes, social life, relationship, psychological balance and your psychology. These are your internal factors. In a small words, in a small sentences, we can say having good behavior, good knowledge, good relationship, good attitude, good value, good position, psychological balance and spirituality, it is called the internal factor. Yes, ये हमारे इंटरनल फैक्टर होते हैं। अर्थात इंटरनल फैक्टर वे होते हैं जिनके माध्यम से हम क्या करते हैं, अपनी बॉडी को, अपने समाज को, अपनी हेल्थ को ठीक प्रकार से रखते हैं। जो हमारी आंतरिक शक्तियां होती हैं, जिनको केवल हम महसूस कर सकते हैं अधिकांश, वह इंटरनल फैक्टर्स होते हैं। एंड सेकंड इज एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर। यस, दीज आर सोशल सपोर्ट, मीडिया, पब्लिक सर्विस, yes, cultural, social cultural programs, economics, political factors, yes, healthcare system, environmental systems, and there are so many laws. जो हमारी बाह्य शक्तियां होती हैं, जिनके माध्यम से हम अपने डेली रूटीन वर्क को करते हैं, समाज की हेल्प करते हैं और दिन प्रतिदिन ऐसा कुछ ना कुछ कार्य करते रहते हैं जो एक समाज में दिखाई पड़ता है। दैट इज कॉल्ड द एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर। सो इट इज क्लियर। एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर। आफ्टर दैट you will see cultural factor. Culture means आप जानते हैं those activities which are related of our relations, of our nations, yes, of our culture systems, that is called the culture factor. It is affects of health, also illness, death, beliefs about the causes of disease, yes, pain, and help others, saving the relationship of society. It is called your culture factor. Next is personal factor. चलिए कल्चरल फैक्टर, पर्सनल फैक्टर से पहले हम कल्चर फैक्टर्स में उसके कुछ ऐसे बिंदु हैं, ऐसे फैक्ट्स हैं जो वास्तव में हमारे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। उसके बारे में थोड़ी बात चर्चा कर लेते हैं। ओके, फैक्टर्स ऑफ कल्चर। कौन कौन से फैक्टर्स होते हैं कल्चर के जिसके माध्यम से हम अपनी कल्चर एक्टिविटीज को इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं? नंबर इज 1, material culture. With the help of material we can improve it. Second is cultural performance. Culture performance, showing any play, any different types of programs, we can improve it. Third is languages. According your reason you can show and you can improve your language and you can perform. Next is education. Education has most important role in culture factor. Religion, yes, you are, as we know, in India you can see there are so many religions. According your religion you can improve this factor. Next is ethics and values, you can improve it also. And last is social organization. These are very valuable facts, points of cultural factor. According them we can improve it. Next is personal health or personal factor. Personal factor, you can see it is related individual, yes, behavior, your attitude, your personality, your diet, exercise, sexual activities, and tobacco uses, cleanliness, personal hygiene, social economy, yes, your relationship, it is called your personal factor. So my dear, these are 4 main important factor of environmental health, of environment. We should try to improve them. हमें इन सभी को सुधारने का प्रयास करना चाहिए. I think it is clear. And next topic is importance of health. मैं पहले बता चुका हूं इंपोर्टेंस ऑफ हेल्थ के बारे में. हेल्थ इज वेल्थ. हेल्थ इज वेल्थ. We have to know it. If we are healthy, it is our wealth. Yes? And there are so many definitions of health. Healthy mind lives in healthy body. It is also said by the scholars कि हमारी हेल्थ सही है तो उस अच्छे हेल्थ में क्या होता है, हमारा अच्छा मस्तिष्क विराजमान रहता है. So we have to improve it. And we can improve it with the help of health service, health supervision, health importance. We can improve it. So it is our duty to know it, to improve it. My dear student, it is clear for everyone. It is clear message to all. We have to habitual to improve these activities because these are very important factors of our life. So you have to improve it. You have to improve yourself. Now I am going to summarize it in a short description. फैक्टर्स कंडीशंस ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंसिंग हेल्थ। तो इन्फ्लुएंस हेल्थ की जो हमारी फैक्टर्स होते हैं हेल्थ के, जो हमारी हेल्थ को प्रभावित होते हैं, दो प्रकार के होते हैं। पहला होता है हेरिडिटी, वंशानुगत जिसको बोलते हैं। इसका मतलब होता है कि माता पिता के जितने भी गुण होते हैं शारीरिक और मानसिक, वो बच्चों में पहुंचना ही हेरिडिटी कहलाता है। दूसरा इन्वायरमेंटल फैक्टर। इन्वायरमेंटल फैक्टर पर होता है कि हम जहां पर रहते हैं वहां का वातावरण कैसा है, उसका प्रभाव सही मनुष्य पर कैसा पड़ता है, वहां के लोगों की प्रतिक्रिया क्या है, वो इन्वायरमेंटल फैक्टर कहलाता है और मनुष्य की हेल्थ इस पर डिपेंड करती है। अब इसका नेक्स्ट पॉइंट था कि जो इन्वायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स है, जो फैक्टर है उसके कितने पार्ट होते हैं, कितने फेजेस होते हैं। तो उसके 4 फेज होते हैं। इंटरनल फैक्टर, एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर, कल्चरल फैक्टर और पर्सनल फैक्टर। इन सभी के बारे में मैंने आपको ठीक से बताया है, डिटेल में बताया है। अब आपको स्वयं से प्रयास करना है। इसके बाद मैंने इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ हेल्थ बताया है कि इंपॉर्टेंस के बारे में बता चुके हैं कि हेल्थ के बिना हमारे जीवन में कोई भी कार्य संभव नहीं है। हाँ, यदि हम अपनी हेल्थ को जांचना परखना चाहते हैं, इन दैट कंडीशन देयर आर 3 पॉइंट्स इफ यू वांट टू चेक योर हेल्थ। फर्स्ट इज हेल्थ सर्विस, सेकंड इज हेल्थ सुपरविजन एंड थर्ड इज हेल्थ रिचार्ज instruction. These are 3 parts if you want to check your health. So I think it is clear. Tomorrow we will read and we will try to understand next topic, scope of health education, कि हेल्थ एजुकेशन का आज के दिनों में क्या महत्व है, क्या स्कोप है, कैसा क्षेत्र है उसका, कि हम कैसे, यदि हम वी आर इंटरेस्टेड इन फिजिकल एजुकेशन, हाउ कैन बी टेक इंटरेस्ट, कि फिजिकल एजुकेशन को हम कैसे अपने कैरियर के रूप में ला सकते हैं, उसको अपने कैरियर बना सकते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच माय ऑल स्टूडेंट एंड माय बेस्ट विशेस फॉर एवरीवन। हैव ए नाइस डे।